Credit cards are a trap. This is what I use instead. I used to brag that I always paid the minimum on my credit card until I opened last year's statement and saw the math. $14,832 at 24.9%, and my tiny $297 payment? $287 vanished into interest. The balance barely twitched. If your stomach just dropped because that looks a lot like the mail on your counter, stick around. I'll show you the trick that slashed my interest by 78% and let me breathe again. Before. Picture me 3 years ago. A mailbox that looked like it was on a carb-loaded diet, 4 cards maxed to the brim, every swipe for tacos or rideshares tacking on another $20 to a tab that already felt like a life sentence. I tried the usual Pinterest moves, snowball, avalanche, side hustle, ramen diet, yet the interest kept laughing at me. I didn't need a new strategy, I needed a fire hose. Section 1: The Turning Point. Late one night, I'm doom scrolling Reddit, as one does, and spot a thread about low-interest personal lines of credit. I assumed that was banker speak for rich people stuff. Turns out my neighborhood credit union had one. 7.9% variable, no collateral, no balance transfer fee. I applied on my phone in pajamas, got approved for $20,000 before the kettle finished boiling, and moved the whole $14,832 off the cards. Overnight, my monthly interest dropped from $287 to $62. That's $225 I stopped setting on fire. Section 2: How a line of credit actually works. Imagine your checking account could lend you money. Need $5,000 for a new roof? Hit transfer. Interest starts ticking only on the $5,000. Pay it back early? Interest hits pause. No grace period mind games, no sneaky double cycle math. Limits are usually higher than cards, rates sit closer to last year's mortgage, and because it's revolving debt instead of maxed out plastic, your credit score gets a high 5. Mine leapt 42 points in a month. Section 3: The Simple One Math Move. Ready? Here's the 5-step dance. 1. Grab last month's statements, every card, every balance, every APR. 2. Apply for a personal line of credit. Credit unions and online lenders are basically throwing money at people right now. 3. Once approved, a CH transfer or balance transfer check, whatever's free, to zero out the cards. 4. Set the line to auto-pay 1.5% of the balance. Mine landed at $221 versus the old $297. 5. Lock the cards in a drawer and treat the line like a mortgage. Pay extra when the stars align, but never miss the minimum. Like and share this video. Want the exact calculator I used? Links in the description. Free, 30-second check. Run your numbers, then come back. Asterisk. Section 4: What life looks like after 1 due date, 1 low rate, 0 juggling. Every tax refund, side gig dollar, or birthday check went straight to principal. Because interest wasn't eating the impact, the balance melted, $14,832 down to $7,450 in 18 months. I still keep one card open for the airline miles, but it's on auto pay in full every month, basically a fancy debit card with perks. The stress headaches? Gone. The mailbox dread? Replaced by phone pings cheering every $50 in principal I crushed. Asterisk. Conclusion: your next step credit cards aren't evil, they're just built so you never quite catch up. A line of credit flips the script, same bank, new rulebook, and terms that let you win. Pull last month's statements, add up balances and rates, and drop the numbers into the calculator below. If your blended APR is north of 12%, you're leaving money on the table. Make the switch, freeze the cards, and watch tomorrow get bigger one low interest payment at a time. You've got this, and don't forget to subscribe to Ghost Wallet 69.